Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and we're down at the seafront again for possibly the last time in 2023. And I'm going to go for a walk all the way around to the harbour. I'll probably split it into two films, depending on how long it takes. And we'll see what the seafront's like on a rather warm December morning. Today is the 20th. Only 5 days to Christmas now. I have to admit, I'm not as excited about that as I used to be. It'd be a bit embarrassing if I was, to be honest. Right, let's have a little pan round. The municipality are doing some work, repairing things that need to be repaired. We're just coming up to the outdoor gym. Boom, 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 boom. This place, the seafront's changed an awful lot this year, for the better, has to be said. It'll be interesting to see what it looks like in a year's time from now. There was talk about there being a covered walking area to provide shade, and perhaps that will appear. I'm trying out a different external microphone this time because the film I did of the Edvo 3 when it was a storm, unfortunately rather killed off my last one because got too wet, and it still works, but it's on all the time, so unless you have the batteries out it just drains the batteries. So I thought I'd try this one, which I hadn't reserved for a couple of years but never used. Oh, while I'm here, if you do like our film, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with all your friends, because every time you share and like something, YouTube boosts it, and it also annoys our competitor who keeps negging us. And anything that annoys them is good for us. Haha. Well, have a quick look at T for 2 and the roadworks they've got there. Out of the way, that chap. You can walk up there, but I'm not sure what they're doing now, but no access to cars. They won't walk through there because there'll be people changing, because there's quite a few people swimming, believe it or not. We'll have a look on the notice board up here, hopefully, as to what the actual temperature is. But I'm in a t-shirt today, so it's not that cold. At the moment it's just displaying an advert for milk. Here we go. 20 degrees, 20.7 degrees, 20th December, 11:14. Humidity, if you're that bothered, 53%. There's Chloe's. Those signs are actually quite useful for when you're doing films like this. There's the boy The Little Fisherman, to give him his correct title. We'll go and see him in a minute. But I won't go in there. Because let's face it, if I was going for a swim and getting changed there, I wouldn't like a stranger turning up and filming me. Oh, for sale, that whole project, there you go. If you fancy an investment. There he is. And he's even got a few mozzies in front of him. So we all have to get used to them. Nice pat on his head. Oh, and he got some Christmas decorations in the changing area. That's quite festive. But I can see at least 3 swimmers. And lovely clear water. Something Paphos is famous for and gets awards for. But that's not just Paphos, it's the whole of Cyprus. Panagia apartments, quite popular with our forum users from the UK. Definitely if you want a central location, they're the place to inquire into. There's the wooden pub below them. Not much wood on display. Oh, there's a bit more around there, there we go. Or fishermen. 1, 2, 3. It's a bit of a challenge to see them actually catch anything. Kalimera. I just realised I'm walking past the beach. I'll go and film that. It's not a very big beach, but it's the Paphos Seafront beach. Or one of them, because the municipal baths count as one as well. That's actually a blue flag beach. But this is just a beach. And this is where the local diving club takes their lessons so that they can get to the water safely. And this little staircase. And if memory serves me correctly, the diving club itself is just on the other side of that shopping complex. Aphrodite's Cave. Probably the biggest clothing and souvenir shop in Paphos. That's a claim. There's the moorings. Still too early for the lunchtime crowd. But I imagine the Our man's going to be out and about. Hopefully we'll see him, but that'll be on the next film, I guess. Just looking at this, I'll be splitting it in two. Someone's been feeding the pigeons. I don't know if the fish like it, but the pigeons certainly do. I'll stop this when we get to the kiosk. Part 2 will be from there onwards. I guess this sign's going to be coming down soon. Seeing as it won't be Paphos' year next year. Wonder what the next award will be. They had a European City of Culture in 2017. That was fun, that was. There were lots of events and art exhibits started popping up all over the place. Who knows what the future will bring though. Anyway, I'll have a little pan round and that will be it for this film. And in part 2 we'll do the harbour. Thanks for watching. Cheers.